What to do if you have many interests? We are taught that it is good to focus on one thing to master it. But as time is illusion and everything exists right now, can't we achieve mastery and success in many more fields at the same time?
Yes, because you already mastered it all. However, in certain parallel realities, you can experience one or the other individuality. However, let me put this in perspective. If you want to be a painter, for example, you can learn a lot of different aspects of painting through watercolors, through pencils, through different implementations in order for you to have a different expressionism of your art. So you see, in order to call yourself an artist, is a combination of multiple expressions of yourself that you end up learning. For example, you end up traveling to Italy, or you end up eating in France in one of the most exclusive areas, French champagne that is certain taste, and you can express all that experience from your traveling within your painting, because the painting through your traveling will become more vibrant, more alive. You experience that. And why is that? Because when you go physically, the vibrational sequence that you collected from that particular areas, it's much more potent to be expressed through the true self within your painting, and your painting becomes more connected and more alive. When other people see it, it will draw them into. So you see, there's a lot of aspects. So when you want to learn certain things, implement all versions of yourself, especially the ones that created the very much a physical experience in something. So you see, when you go and you put your emotion in a painting, it's going to be seen from the people watching it, because the brush of the paint and everything you do comes through the frequency and that emotion. But did you forget that even that painting is an etheric flow of structure? So you see, all of it is necessary for you to create. But if you really want to be very expressionist with your art and stuff like this, implement the physical experience that you have within the now momentum. Feel the paint and the brush and enjoy that momentum. Put yourself in a state of joy when you do it. Of course, you can put yourself in a state of sadness and you paint. That will also be seen by the strokes of the brush, and the colors that you're going to pick will be emanating within your painting. So you see, all is collectively in one moment could be implemented and expressed with anything you do. And believe us, will be recognized within your field. No matter what that is, if you do it through the heart, if you have fun with it, if you be joyful with it, even the sadness is a part of joy, because it's simply a vibration of something to be recognized. But when you express your sadness, no matter what way, form, or shape, somebody can recognize that and say, I'm here. I can see what you feel, and I love you. May I help you? So don't be afraid of expressing yourself through the port of your heart, because when you do it through the heart with compassion, it will be projected, recognized, and will always come back to you when help is needed, even if it's negative expression within your field. The negative expression of your field is simply a vibration. You call it negative, and actuality is a sequence of vibration that at any moment can be converted, healed, and put in a light praise of existence.